to set yourself a little intention for the next 31 days. So just ground down wherever you are. Maybe you're sitting, maybe you're standing. Just ground down into the lower body, the hips, the legs, the feet. Just softening, finding a little bit of grounding and solidity and stability there. Draw the spine up nice and tall. Maybe swim the shoulders back for a few moments. And then just closing the eyes. Take a big deep breath. And go ahead and just set yourself an intention for the next 31 days, whether that is to practice grounding down into gratitude. Maybe that's to feel vibrant for Vata season, stoking that inner flame. Maybe finding some willpower as the days get shorter and the nights, the darkness gets a little bit longer. Maybe it is to practice some self-compassion. Maybe it's just to try and practice a little bit of yoga every day for the next 31 days to practice that consistency. Or maybe you're using this time for some TLC, right? We can't give, and if we're not willing to receive, we really need to top up our cups, and then we can pour into other people's. We can give. Just take a moment to set your intention. Beautiful. And then just gently blink the eyes open. Come back to me.